Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. It's free. So today I'll be showing you how I fry my green plantains. I love plantains. Plantains are everything to me. Ripe plantains especially. I cut and peel my plantains. This doesn't take much effort, it's very easy, very simple and easy. Once you cut both ends horizontally, then you make a vertical slice down the middle, just start peeling. Also, when cutting your plantains, remember it don't have to be restaurant standard shape. It's how you want to cut them, because at the end of the day, they're green plantains, and how Jamaicans do it and some places in the Caribbean, we squish them, or we call it press plantains. So you don't have to worry about the shape that you're cutting it in, as long as it's cut and fried properly. Here I proceed to add some oil in the pot. So you add your plantains into the pot, and yes, give it some time to fry. So you leave them in for a quick 2 to 3 minutes, making sure that they get a little bit of color, not too much yet, and then you turn them and give them about another minute or so. Then after you give them a full 4 minutes in the pot, you take them out. You can always put some more in while you press those. So to press mine, I use paper towels. Now, it doesn't matter how you press it or what you use to press it. You can use paper towels, you can use another plate, you can use a roller, a cup, as long as they're pressed. And then you add them right back into the pot. So after pressing and adding, you give them another 2 minutes or so to give them the nice golden color that you want them to be. And remember, you can also leave them in to become as crispy as you'd like. I like mine really crispy, so I leave them in to get some very nice golden color. And don't leave them in too long. Don't be like me, where I left them to go answer my phone, and when I came back they caught some melanin. Even though melanin never yet kill anyone, unless, well. So yes, you take them out and you put them on paper towels. So once you take them out, the other batch that was in there, you take those out. So again, folks, I just want to take this time out to remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. So now I look at my plantains. These are really coming out nice. So remember, again, it doesn't matter how you cut them. It doesn't matter how they're shaped, as long as they get some heat and some grease under them. That's it. All you have to do is worry about how you're pressing them. And remember, you need something to protect your hands from the heat and the oil from the plantain. So make sure that whatever you're using to press it is going to shield your hands from getting burned. There I go, pressing once more. And you don't have to press them all the way out like you're giving them a flat tummy. Just make sure you press them enough And you have to, if you're pressing them with paper towels, you have to be mindful because sometimes some of the paper towel comes off onto the plantain, so you have to look so you don't be eating paper towel and plantains. So here you see me frying my very last batch. Nice and crispy and golden. Some with an extra bit of melanin, but that's okay. So there I am adding my salt, and voila! And look nice, see man. Thank you for watching, peeps, and please remember again, like, subscribe, and share.